Hey everyone, in this video you'll get to know how to buy crypto in PayPal in 2025. So I'll show you how to buy cryptocurrency on PayPal in the web version and also the app. So first of all, if you are using the PayPal on the web, then you have to just click on the finances and then click buy and choose a crypto to buy, and after that choose an amount and frequency like daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly, and frequency will default to one time, and you can choose payment method and tap next, and after that click buy now, and you are all set. And I'll tell you the another method to buy cryptocurrency on the app, whether it's an iOS app or an Android app. So for that you have to log into your PayPal account and then tap accounts, and after that you have to tap on crypto. After tapping on crypto you have to tap on buy. After that choose an amount and frequency like daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly, and that frequency will default to one time, and after that select a starting date and tap confirm. Confirm your amount and tap next, and after that choose a payment method and tap next, and lastly tap authorize and schedule. And let me also tell you what exchange rate will be used for my recurring transaction. The exchange rate for each recurring buy includes a currency conversion spread and refreshes frequently. When you create a recurring buy order, you may elect to make an initial purchase at that time. If you do so, the displayed rate is only for the initial purchase. And I have just given you the information from the official PayPal website, and it's the only one and only legit way to buy cryptocurrency on PayPal. So that's it for today's video. See you on the next one.